Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Grace, a mom of three based in the United States. So I do lifestyle, motherhood, and everything in between. So today I'm going to do something. I'm unboxing some products I got from Temu with you guys, and I'm going to be honest with you with the previous product I got there, how the goods turn out. So stay tuned to hear my honest review about my purchases from Temu. Yeah. So guys, this is the product I got from Temu. This is with my money. I got this with my money, guys. So let's see what we have inside. It's just like this. So previously I unboxed about some things I got from Temu. I got a washer which I used for some period before it got damaged. I don't know what happened. The portable washer got damaged. For those people that watched the previous video about my honest review about the portable washer, it got damaged. I don't know what happened. So, and I got some clothes from Temu the last time. I would say those clothes are very good. So these are clothes, and I got a kitchen gadgets. Yeah, so stay tuned to see what we have in here. Yeah, so this is it. I don't know why they didn't put their logo this time around. They are always putting their logo, but this came in with just a white nylon, this white plastic bag. We call it nylon in Nigeria. Those people from Nigeria watching this video, they will understand what we mean by nylon. But in the United States, we call it plastic bag. Yeah. So if you say nylon to your a child grown up in this country, they will not understand what you mean by nylon. So you have to say plastic bag. There was a time when my mom was around. My mom would always say nylon. So I later corrected that it was plastic bag. So this is the first one. Is a jeans skirt. You guys know I am a lady that puts on skirts always. So I am a girl, a lady, not a girl. Oh my god, a lady that puts on skirts. So I got a demi skirt. It's so beautiful. The quality is really good. Wow. For the money, I'm going to put the price of this demi skirt, and I will leave the link. This is an SSL, so I'm going to try it on with you guys to see how it fits, for you guys to see how it fits on me. So this is the first one. I'll say the quality of the jean or the demis, let me say demis, is really good. I don't expect it's going to be thick like this. It's of quality. Yeah. So another one I have is this. I don't know why Temu is packing like sheep. So this is another one I got. I got a black skirt. Just, it looks sportish. So it has this. Is a short skirt. You guys can see. So that's the second one. And I got a hat. I got a hat for my daughter. So, oh my god. Okay, yeah, it's good. So the hat is not bad, but Temu or Temu, whatever you guys call it, whatever we call it, so they need to improve on the packing of their hats. Yeah, so at least they should put something to hold this hat. So the hat is not bad. So this is it for my daughter. It has this. So that's the next one. And I mistakenly ordered for this hat. I didn't plan to order a hat for myself. So this is another hat that came in. So I'll be rocking it to church. It's not bad for the price. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not really bad. So it's just like this. So this is the hat, guys. This is how it look. So that's it, guys. This is the hat. This is for me, and that's for my girl. I basically order for myself. This year I'm going to spoil myself. I'm doing enough. So this is the second one. Yeah, so the quality is not bad. It says Mom, can you see? Mom life, see. So that's it. I'm going to rock it with the demis for school pickup and running errands. This is another one. This is for my husband. Yeah. So I would say the quality is not bad also. So this is it. This is for my husband, but I'm not sure this will size my husband because my husband is tall. Yeah. So it has is a jogger. Yeah. That's Paris. The quality is not bad. Yeah. I think my order is missing. Yeah. I still have a shirt. So it's not completed. Yeah. Yeah. There's nothing else again. Yeah, I knew I ordered for two of these different color. So I don't know. I only saw this. Yeah, so let me try it on. I will be back. So guys, we are back. You guys saw the clothing that I got. This is one of it that I'm putting on. So this is the gadget I got, a vegetable slicer. I have one other vegetable slicer. Is different from this one. I just thought to try this because I see people using it, and the way it cuts is different from the one I'm having. I think I have two vegetable slicer, different types. So this is the third one, and you guys, you know, I love cutting with my hand. It's so therapeutic for me. I just love cutting. I have the skills from childhood. So let me try this gadget. This is the second gadget I'm getting from Temu, and after I found out that this is not of good quality, probably it's damaged, I will not be buying gadgets on Temu again, because the first one I got didn't last for a year. It's only lasted for some months. Yeah, you guys saw the review. I will leave the video on the end screen for you guys to see. Yeah, I got a portable washing machine. So I'm going to say no to that because it didn't last. It got damaged. That's my honest review about that. And this is the second gadget I'm buying. So let me try this. I will definitely come back to tell you the review about this vegetable slicer. And if it's damaged, that means I'm not going to be buying any gadgets from Temu again. So let's unbox, guys. I love giving my honest review about anything I buy online for you guys, and I love to share for other moms like me, or men out there that want to buy anything from online for their um spouse. So for their clothing, I would say this is my second time of buying clothes from Temu. It turned out good. It's their quality is always good after you wash it. So this is also of quality. I love the quality. It's not bad for the price. It's really good and it's thick. So the vegetable slicer comes like this. So this is it. And these are the different slicers that it has. It can cut potato, onions, your veggies. So just like that. Let's see. These are the things I found there. So I'm going to be using it in one of my videos for you guys to see. And it has a blade, different blade for different purposes. So this is just it. So I'm going to use this and see if it's going to last. For the portable machine, it doesn't last. Yeah, it only worked for a few months. I think I probably use it for barely 5 months. Yeah, so this is it. So let's try this and see. And this is the cup. Let's see. So this is all for the uh unboxing and try on and review of other gadgets and clothes that I got from Temu. So I would say, yeah, their products are good. It's not bad, and I'm really impressed with the jeans. It's of quality. Like, it's come out as a good quality. Like, what am I saying? It came out to be a good jean. I didn't expect that the quality would be like this for the price. I will leave the price on the screen for you guys to see. Yeah, and this is a vegetable slicer that I got myself. Hopefully I'm not going to be using it. So we have come to the end of this video. Kindly like, comment, and share with us if you bought anything from Temu. How is your experience after you wash their clothing, or how is your experience with their kitchen gadget or any gadgets you got from Temu? So I will leave all the purchases on the description for you guys to see, and the prices. Like I said, please kindly like, comment, and share with other people, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.